Well, welcome to this UK drug testing and drug testing kit combined product presentation video demonstrating this 2C-B rapid test strip. 2C-B or pink cocaine is a group of synthetic compounds which are increasingly available as street drugs and alternatives to the more traditional drugs that are available. The 2C-B has a cutoff of 1000 nanograms. This is the standard packaging that comes with the test strip. White foil, 2C-B, cut off 1000 nanograms, as you can see. It's an ultra test with an expiry date and lot number. The actual little strip that comes out has a 2C-B coding on the handle end. The dip end has a wavy line indicating that that's where the liquid is applied, and the central flat area here is where you will get the results. Also comes in a pouch with a little foil desiccant which keeps the test strip in prime condition. Do not open it until you're ready to run the test. Now we're going to demonstrate how to do that using a synthetic liquid here. When you're ready to do the test with a fresh urine sample, hold the handle end of the dip test and just dip it into the urine sample to the top of the wavy lines and hold it there for around 5 to 10 seconds while it absorbs sufficient urine to run. You will see some wicking occurring in the central flattened portion. Once this has got to above half the area in that central flat section, you're usually okay to remove it from the urine and place it on a dry non-absorbent flat surface. We're going to use the test foil. That's what is ideal for doing this. And then start your timer and you come and interpret your results at between 8 and 10 minutes. So we're going to stop this video and refilm at the 8-minute time and talk you through the interpretation of the results. Well, welcome back. This test strip's now been running for 8 minutes, and as you can clearly see, we've got a lovely line, a control line at the end of the test region. That is your control line nearest the coding, and we've got a test line showing down here nearing the urine dip end. This is a clear negative result. You must have a control line to interpret the test line. If you've got both lines showing at 2, 3, 4 or 5 minutes, then that is also a clear negative result. But if you've only got the control line in the upper region of that window, then you must allow a full 10 minutes development time for a test line to show and appear before interpreting a positive result. Positive result is indicated by a control line, but the absence of a test line at 10 minutes. This screens for 2C-B at 1000 nanograms. It's got over a 99.7% accuracy and is available from the UK drug testing and drug testing kit websites. We'll put links in the description videos below, which will take you directly to the products, which contain further details, costings, and accuracy, selectivity and specificity data. Thanks for watching.